annoyed if I win 9 games, because then it'll mean that I had a real chance. But yeah, one of those days wouldn't have been a problem if I actually played all 11 games. But okay, Magnus won. Yeah, go h4. Who's this? Gonna obviously play nonsense this game. Good g5, attack the bishop. Here, unfortunately, it's not a gambit because, like, I lost the first game that I played. Maybe I should play h3. We'll see. Problem is, this game's just, I'm not really into it. Let's go h3, attack the bishop. He might be getting mated here soon. It's knight f3 trick. Could also just take the pawn. Go here, attack the bishop. But definitely not feeling very enthused at the moment. Knight f6 was probably a little bit better, but there. Let's take the pawn. I'm gonna go c6 here, hit the bishop. Let's go c6, attack the bishop. I guess I'll trade, why not? Go here. Now there's no f4 at least. Go here, I guess just take. Funny thing is, even this game, I'm actually not. I don't think I'm actually really much better here. I'll still win the game, but I don't think I'm actually much better. It's a good move. Maybe it's not. Let's go here and hit the bishop. Knight d3 is also probably quite good. Let's just take. I think this just wins the rook. Both squares are covered. Did I just blunder again? Like, I should win this game. This is actually not trivial to win. I should win this, but not trivial. Okay, bishop a4. I guess I'll go here to guard everything. As long as I don't accidentally walk into a checkmate, I should win. Or also probably a good move. Let's take. Actually, not a good move. So now he's going to get mated. So I stay with the knight, and then I get rook e7, and it's good. Wait, what? Or do I play rook d6? Nah, let's just go check. Let's go here, try to force the rooks off the board, and then knight e5, and I'm knight c4 or rook a1. Knight c4, king e2 takes. I'll go here to hit the pawn. So I'm still guarding everything. Oh, I also had knight f3, which is just winning. Okay, yeah, now I'll go for it because king e2 I just take, and he can't take, so I take. It's still winning, but as usual, I found a way to make this tricky. Yeah, of course he finds it. Maybe I just, no, probably I just take, and I win. So I'm just gonna go h2, and he has no way to stop the 2 checks to promote to a queen. Yeah, this is just a win. Thanks so much to Till GE for the 10 months. Thank you, Feather 2K for the 28 months. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. He resigns next game.